Increasing the life expectancy of your air conditioner. Increasing the life expectancy of your air conditioner involves regular maintenance and some practical habits. Here are some tips to help ensure your AC runs efficiently and lasts longer. Regular maintenance. Annual professional checkup. Schedule a professional inspection and tune-up at least once a year, ideally before the cooling season begins. Clean or replace filters. Check filters every month and clean or replace them as needed, typically every 1-3 months. Clean the coils. Both the evaporator and condenser coils can accumulate dirt, which reduces efficiency. Clean them at least once a year. Inspect the condensate drain. Ensure the drain is not clogged to prevent moisture problems that can affect your unit's efficiency. Check the thermostat. Ensure your thermostat is working correctly and consider upgrading to a programmable thermostat for better control and efficiency. Practical usage tips. Use fans. Ceiling fans or portable fans can help distribute cool air more evenly, allowing you to raise the thermostat setting and reduce the load on your AC. Seal leaks. Ensure your home is properly sealed and insulated to prevent cool air from escaping. Shade the unit. If possible, install the AC unit in a shaded area to prevent it from overheating and working harder. Use curtains or blinds. Close curtains or blinds during the hottest part of the day to reduce heat gain inside your home. Avoid heat-generating activities. Minimize activities that generate heat, such as cooking or using appliances like the oven or dryer, during the hottest part of the day. Long-term considerations. Upgrade to a more efficient unit. If your unit is old, consider upgrading to a newer, more energy-efficient model. Install a programmable thermostat. This allows you to set temperatures based on your schedule, reducing unnecessary usage. Size matters. Ensure your AC unit is appropriately sized for your home. An oversized or undersized unit can reduce efficiency and lifespan. DIY maintenance tips. Clear debris. Regularly check and clear debris from around the outdoor unit to ensure proper airflow. Straighten coil fins. Use a fin comb to straighten any bent coil fins, improving airflow. Monitor refrigerant levels. Low refrigerant can indicate a leak, which should be addressed by a professional. By following these tips, you can help extend the life of your air conditioner and ensure it operates efficiently, saving you money on energy bills and repair costs.